Guys, so today we're gonna be playing Baldi Basics camping. Yeah, we're going camping, but not for real. We're not going camping. We're just in the backyard. I don't have my ruler because it's upstairs, but can't go upstairs. Oh my God, we're making a fire! Look, guys. Oh my gosh. Can you see? I don't know if you can see though.
Back up.
Oh my God, back up.
You have to back up
Start.
to the wood, right?
No, because it's going to start a fire. Gonna catch a fire. In 3, 2, 1. Oh, sorry. 3, 2, 1. Didn't catch on fire yet. But I'm just gonna pause the video and we'll get back to you in a second. Okay? Oh my God, so windy. But seriously, okay, bye. Okay, my daddy's lighting a piece of cardboard. Let's try and get the fire out. But it didn't work, okay? So yeah. That's the only one to tell you about, so I'll call you when I'm gonna pause the video. Okay, be quiet. I'm gonna unpause the video once we get the fire going, okay? Okay. Bye. Oh, just to tell you, I'm gonna be Baldi. So I'm gonna get my ruler too later on. But okay. Once he does this, okay? So bye. Hello guys, I'm back in the house because I need to get my ruler, okay? So I'll just turn the back. Guys, I'm upstairs to get my ruler. Remember the ruler the other video? That's the so oh yeah. Okay, bye. Guys, so far I can't find it, so I'm gonna look downstairs. Okay guys, I'm on the first porch. And I think I can't find it. So I'm gonna look somewhere else, okay? Guys, I just remembered where I left my ruler. Downstairs in the basement. Gotta go get it, okay? We're almost there, okay? So, yeah, almost there. Bye. Okay, guys, I'm in the basement. I got my ruler. Hey, guys, I'm outside. Fire's going a little bit. But at least I'm outside. Got my ruler. What?
Do the big one.
No.
Later.
Later on, fine. Oh, sorry, guys. Cousins. Oh, look at the Sorry, smoke in my face. Man, why did I turn green? Oh my God, green. Sorry. We're gonna start it. I'll be right back when we're ready. Okay, we're starting. Come out! Oh, let's go camping. Come on. Go. Not even going camping. We're in the back. Come here. Still won't come. Come here. Sorry. Okay, he's here. Finally. It's the fire. Collect wood. Firewood.
This?
Every time I slept, I had
Yeah.
to right up under the pillow.
You got firewood. Go collect more. Let's go collect it. Go. Go. I say go. Go collect firewood. Go. Okay. He got enough sticks. Put him in the fire. I don't know what to do here. I'm confused. But still, I know what to do. Kind of. Look, it's burning the
And
fire.
then he let you go, and your head is deformed.
There's the smoke. Look, the fire's going. So good. Look. Yep. Look.
That's like a nigga
Fire.
riding on the bike
I
trail.
hate bunny rabbit.
On the bike trail. And then the shit was chasing them on the bike. So he looked back.
Where?
So I know what you're talking about.
Oh, guys, I didn't know I had a milk mustache. Get it? Milk
That's the worst
mustache.
thing you could do is climb up a tree.
I had some milk this morning.
Bears can't swim. And they climb. Yeah, they can.
I woke up like 2.
Okay, you rather get mauled by a bear than get mauled
Like,
by a
I woke
big-ass
up
lion?
1 hour ago.
What? A bear, nigga?
But my friend,
You saw a dude that choked out
that
a
he
lion or
left.
killed him.
Now we have him,
A lion killed him.
Tyler. You have to watch this, Tyler.
That
And
nigga mauled bear. Then he go on.
Kylie. Yeah.
A lion goes straight for you.
Demise here. Kylie left. And
So like 400 pounds. That's not that big.
No.
Grizzly
well,
bear is like
That's like Colorado.
Tyler's not here yet. We're gonna wait for him. Yeah.
that nigga.
I'm not wasting time talking. Okay, never mind. Bye. We're not done with the video. It's still going on.
That's gonna look like
Stand up, you gonna be like, oh,
My word. Can you guys look? I have magic to make it grow.
Silverback will beat you down.
Gorilla. Did you watch
He needs to get more though. Grow, grow more, please.
Oh, you gotta watch
No,
that. That's the
not more
best. Yo,
smoke.
it's better than Planet of the Apes.
Grow more fire.
They go into the Congo
The
after.
nigga was looking
working.
for,
Hello.
Hello. It's my baby cousin, y'all.
Yep. Yeah, I can't believe I'm playing Baldi Basics. Bye. Guys, looks like I can't do my video, so yeah, the video's over anyway. Bye-bye.
with the bullshit, I ain't doing that shit.
Give me 100 things, thumbs up and subscribe. Love you. Bye.